Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use label in Gmail. So for you to be able to use label in Gmail, here's how you can get it done. Try and compress the message. So you to use a label option. So right here I'm just going to put in the sender, which is the person the recipient, which is the person that's receiving the mail, the subject, the contents. Then after that, once you've done with that part, then you come to down here and click on this three dot icon, which is more options. Then right here is just going to input your label. So once you drag your mouse, it will pop up another option right in front of or behind the label option. So right here you can simply label the mail you're about to send as a note, or social, to be update, or forum, or promotions. You can even add your own tags to it or create your own tags, and also you can manage your tags from here. So let me just click on the managing part of the tag. So right here, so once I click on the managing part, then try and move this somewhere or try and minimize it. Just click on the minimize button, then you can see it's all down here. So from here you can manage your tag, you can label. This is the label, show in list. So right now, start, snooze, important. So these are the options for the tag. Then you can simply configure them once you're done. Another thing you need to put into consideration: removing a label will not remove the message from that label. Once a particular message has been added to the label and you went back to remove that label, it will not remove the message from that label until you had another one. Then another one will not be removed from the label, but the current one will not be removed. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.